So I have this Oral-B dental floss, and I'm gonna try if this is fixing my frizz before I start the video. Some amount of this floss, and then I'm gonna turn over with the floss. Yeah, look at that. It did reduce the frizz. I'm gonna do one more time. Yeah, look at that. It did reduce the frizz. I'm gonna do one more time. Let's do on the other side as well. So it looks so much better than where it started with. So in this video I'm gonna compare these two products which are said to be dupes. Like this one costs around 2,300 rupees and this one costs just 300, and I want to put it to test. And I'm not wearing any makeup today because I have a little bit of redness going on, like skin burns, because I by mistake I used my AHAs a little longer than I should, and I have this, and I've applied some barrier cream for it, so I don't want to ruin my skin right now. It is extremely in pain, so I want to leave it as it is, and I'm just gonna do the lips, so please bear with my bare face. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. You guys know how much Too Faced lip injection is everybody's favorite. Whoever wants the plumpy, juicy looking plumped lips, and also it's kind of very, gimmicky product that gives you that kind of tingling sensation and gives you that illusion of your lips plumped, or like you've injected your fillers in. So I had a smaller version of it, but then I really wanted to try this extreme version of it. Like this is called the Too Faced Extreme Maximum Plump. So the claims are very high here. It says 98% said it plumps and left skin looking revolutionized after 1 week. I don't accept that because only when I use this product it looks plump. Other than that, it doesn't show any difference. Like after 1 week of usage, there's no plumped lips whatsoever. So that is the claim of this one, and the original in maximum plump. So it is the packaging, like it is in pink color, like it has the effects of pink glitter. While this one claims, this one's from Essence and it's called What the Fake Extreme Lip Plumper, and this has a lot more claims than Too Faced. This says 94% saw a plumping effect, 92% said provides fuller looking lips, and 94% said the product does not dry out the lips. Obviously it is a gloss, so it's not going to dry out anybody's lip, and 96% saw a beautifying tinting effect. So let's put this to test. It's made of chili extracts, so this already tingles me a lot, very uncomfortable way. But then I thought this is gonna be a little bit more tingling than the Too Faced one because of the chili extract. So let's try. This has a pink tint from Essence and this is Too Faced. I'm gonna try the right side of my face with Essence and left side with the Too Faced lip plumper. First I'm gonna go with the Too Faced because I've already used it and I love it. So this is what the wand of Too Faced looks like. It has that pink tinge. So I'm gonna overline my lips a little. So that is the Too Faced side. Now let's move to the Essence side. The Too Faced one has already started tingling, whereas the Essence starts really minty and cold. It goes on really minty and cold, and also if you guys notice, this Essence has a little bit of pink tint to it, and it gives you the illusion of juicier and fuller lips already. But this is tingling and this is not started tingling yet. It only has the mint feeling, mint cooling effect to it, and I don't find this started tingling yet. Notice it looks a lot bigger, juicier than how it was before I started applying. Like, can you see? Both gives me very similar effect. but one thing gives me a lot more pain than the Essence lip plumper. The Essence doesn't tingle you right away like the Too Faced does. Too Faced makes you feel like you want to remove it off, but if you like that kind of a plumping effect from a plumper, and I got used to it, so I'm okay with it. But if you are new and if you really want to start with lip plumpers like these, then go with the Wet n Wild one, because it still feels so cooling and soothing to my lips. Slowly it's starting to feel like I've applied chilies on, like very slightly, not too much. Cupid's bow, and the lip looks a lot more plumpier on both the sides. Now if you see, the illusion Essence gives you is with a tint of pink, so it makes it look like it's done something to the lips already, whereas this doesn't have a tint. So on pigmented lips the pink still shows a little. So for the final verdict, I feel both work very similar. The essence is actually feels way better than the Too Faced one. So if you do not want to spend so much money on the Too Faced one, you can very well go for the Essence, and it's exactly a perfect dupe for Too Faced, or even better than Too Faced. So I would highly recommend the Too Faced. And once I'm done with this, I am gonna stick to my Essence, because this gives me a much more better effect because of the pink tint. And yeah, hope this video was helpful. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.